Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who spends time on TikTok or even thinks about jumping into the TikTok game, you know how fast-paced it is. 1 minute a trend is blowing up, and the next, it's gone. Keeping up with all the viral sounds, challenges, and trends can be exhausting. And, let's face it, not everyone has the time or energy to make that happen. But what if I told you that there's an AI tool that can make everything easier for you? That's exactly what we're talking about today, AI Toker. It's a game-changing tool that can help you stay ahead of the curve, create viral TikTok content, and get it posted at the best times, all with little to no effort on your part. So, here's the deal. AI Toker is designed to do everything for you. It tracks the latest TikTok trends, creates videos for you, and even posts them on your behalf. It's an automation tool that combines artificial intelligence with TikTok's algorithm to make sure your content gets seen by the right people at the right time. Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, let's dive deeper into how it actually works and why it might be the tool you've been looking for to crush it on TikTok. First off, one of the coolest things about AI Toker is how it works behind the scenes. Every day, it scans over 10,000 viral TikToks, searching for patterns, trends, and emerging content. What's incredible is that it doesn't just look at what's popular now, it's also spotting trends before they go big. This means that with AI Toker, you can jump on viral trends early, giving you a huge advantage over creators who are a little late to the party. The AI is so smart that it even predicts when certain trends are about to peak, giving you that perfect window to engage. Once the trends are spotted, AI Toker doesn't leave you hanging with just trend data. It actually creates the content for you. If you've ever struggled with filming or editing videos, you know how time-consuming it can be. AI Toker completely takes care of that for you. The tool auto-generates TikTok-style videos that include captions, effects, and even trending sounds. And you don't have to worry about a thing. If you want, you can pick your favorite video from a selection, or you can let the AI choose the one it thinks will get the most engagement. Either way, you're getting a high-quality, engaging video ready to post. No camera work, no editing software required. AI Toker handles it all. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds awesome, but when do I post these videos? That's where the magic of AI Toker really shines. It doesn't just create the content for you and leave you to figure out the timing. This tool auto-posts your videos at the best times to maximize reach and engagement. It posts up to 7 times a day, which is pretty wild considering how much content gets buried if it's posted at the wrong time. By doing all the posting for you, AI Toker ensures that your content stays in front of your audience, and TikTok's algorithm keeps working in your favor. Another feature that makes AI Toker stand out is its ability to track winning hashtags and CTAs. Hashtags and captions can make or break the success of your TikTok post. AI Toker's AI scans top-performing videos and automatically grabs the best hashtags, captions, and calls to action. It basically does all the research for you, saving you time and ensuring your content is optimized for maximum engagement. If you're running a business or promoting affiliate products, you'll love the monetization features. With just a click, AI Toker adds Buy Now buttons and affiliate links to your videos. This turns your posts into potential sales machines, helping you convert viewers into customers with minimal effort. Plus, AI Toker automatically engages with your audience through comments. It replies to viewers with engaging responses and even includes discount codes to boost sales and interaction. It's basically like having an assistant handling your TikTok account 24/7. AI Toker isn't just about creating and posting content, though. It also offers a competitor spy tool. You can enter any username, and the AI will reveal that creators' top-performing videos, hashtags, and strategies. If you've ever wondered what the successful creators are doing right, this feature gives you the inside scoop so you can do it even better. It also has a hashtag booster to make sure your videos get seen by more people, helping you increase your views significantly. And let's not forget about the trend jacking engine. This allows you to remix popular TikToks with your own branding, keeping your content fresh and relevant without having to constantly come up with new ideas from scratch. Plus, AI Toker has a virality score predictor to ensure that every piece of content has a high potential to go viral before you hit post. Overall, what I love most about AI Toker is how it truly simplifies the TikTok process for you. Instead of spending hours figuring out trends, creating videos, and manually posting them at the right times, AI Toker does it all. It's like having an AI-powered assistant that works 24/7 to keep your TikTok growing without the need for filming or editing. Whether you're an influencer, a business owner, or just someone looking to gain more followers, this tool is a total game changer. So, if you're ready to take your TikTok to the next level without all the hassle, I highly recommend giving AI Toker a try. With everything it offers, it's hard to imagine a more efficient way to handle your TikTok content. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hope this helps you unlock some serious TikTok success.